Aloha! Welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappy and this is Mookie. We got a great episode today. Today's Tuesday, so that makes it Taco Tuesday. So we're going to head out to the lake for some tacos for Appies with Chappy by the lake. First up, we're going to make a drink. This is Pineapple Tequila Sunrise. Normal Tequila Sunrise, you have grenadine on the bottom. I'm just going to substitute my premium cocktail cherry liquid. I have some reserve liquid. Now, normally when you use grenadine, you can just pour it in at any time and it'll sink to the bottom. I'm not 100% sure about the cherry liquid, so I'm going to put it in first just so hopefully it'll stay on the bottom and I'll get a little bit of separation and we can get the tequila sunrise effect, if you will, Mookie. All right, so that's basically you would just use grenadine. And then we're going to go 1 1/2 ounces of your favorite tequila. And then because it's a pineapple tequila sunrise, I have a mix of pineapple orange juice. You can also just do pineapple and orange, and you can do whatever ratio you want depending on which juice you like better. But I'm just gonna finish it off with the juice. And then I have a somewhat disheveled umbrella as a garnish. Oops, yeah. And that, my friends, is a pineapple tequila sunrise. So stay tuned, we're heading out to Lake Okanagan. Aloha! Welcome to Appies with Chappy by the Lake, Taco Tuesday edition. So I got my hot air fryer, bean and cheese rolled tacos, and I got a little bit of guac for dipping. We're gonna make a drink to go with that. This is called a TUG BOAT COOLER. So I'm gonna shake it up and then pour it over my crushed ice in my Tiki mug. So first up we'll go 4 ounces of red wine. I got some nice dry Chianti today. Full ounce of sweet and sour mix, full ounce of OJ. We'll save the Sprite or 7-Up for to finish it off after I shake it, and a splash of creme de banana. All right, give that a shake, and we're going to pour it over crushed ice into my Tiki mug. And then we'll just finish off with a little Sprite. And that, my friends, is a Tug Boat cooler to go with my hot air fryer bean and cheese taquitos with guacamole dip and sauce. And that concludes another episode of Chappy's Tiki Bar. Make sure you hit that notification bell. This is Chappy saying life is hard. That's just the way it goes. But sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar.